Hello everyone. Today I am going to present of the Great Gatsby of represented of the judges. So I would like to call Bhavyang. Please share your screen in my presentation. The next slide, Bhavyang. So if you know, First World War, after many changes in literary terms and leaves to society in Western culture. Many literary terms developed in that times. One of them is the jazz age. The jazz word means jams, means spirit, energy, and spum. Next slide. So jazz music employed and created of African and American culture. The jazz music and the dance emerged in that time. So this music is a very entertainment and popular at that time. And this music also represented of radio broadcast and recording technology. Some female singers uh, emerged in that time, like them Bessie Smith. So during that time, women are also open and freedom of relationship and own choice of to do to decoration of own self. Next. So African culture also represented of one cotton club. Cotton club is also African and American entertains club, and that at that time also enter only for white peoples. Next. Uh, that time also represented of the jazz as and the jazz music and dance and party also some of use of mass media, radio, movies, newspaper and magazines, all are about audience to entertainments. Next. The flapper means change of human decoration body and human sense behavior and human culture. Like them, one quotation of Charles Stons: "I don't want to lie. I want to love first and lie." Incidentally, short bobbed hair, short cuts, no cross set. Boys figure makeup, sexual liberation, drinking, smoking, dancing, and jazz. So all women are smoking and drinking alcohol and wear up short skirts and hairstyle is very short. Next. Yeah, the jazz is also representative of jazz music. Jazz music means a loudly and very fast music. So at that time, this term is a very increased and very inspire of the all American and all Western cultures. This music is very popular at that time. Next. Uh, uh, Very brightest writer in that time, like them Fitzgerald, Hemingway, Eliot, and Ezra Pound, etc. Next. So Fitzgerald was an American writer. He was a many work written in novels and short story. He was his work are evocative of the jazz age, a term coined by himself. He was written four novels, but the Great Gatsby novel is his masterpiece. Next. So the Great Gatsby novel has also chronicles the judge as Filcher. Also, Nick Carver in this novel idolized the riches and glamour of the age. Uh, the magazine include the novel in this time 100 best English language novels from 1923 to 2005. Next. So in this novel also represented of many jazz ages think first is a freedom of woman. So here I am put in one quotes of original novels. Oh, you want too much. She cried to Gatsby. I love you now. I is not that enough. I can help was a past. She began to sob helplessly. I did love him one, but I loved you too. In this novel, Daisy is love of both of you, her husband Tom's and her past beloved of Jay Gatsby. So I am here watching a video. I am request to Avyang, please play the video. Present in my PPT. So in this video, you can say Gatsby House is a one party. So many people come and do to dance and drink alcohol and enjoy of it. Next slide. So drink alcohol and do to party and dance and loudly music in that party, and all women and all men are very enjoyful and dance in another angles. Next. In this novel also woman represented of Flapper, in so many female character in this novel like them, Daisy, Jordan, Veltri. So this woman also, her hair is very short and her skirt is very short, and all humans are smoking and drinking, and also relation of sexual liberation in own way, and some women are also both love Tom and Jay Gatsby. So these all things are represented of jazzes. Next slide. So the jazz as presented in jazz music, dance, drink alcohol and party, female freedom and her flapper love, sing songs, smoking, dance, drink alcohol, etc. So all these things are found in this Great Gatsby novel. So this novel also represented of jazzes. Next. Here is my references. So thank you.
Okay, you can stop sharing the screen.